ड्रग कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया ने सीरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंडिया और भारत बायोटेक की कोरोना वैक्सीन को इमरजेंसी इस्तेमाल की मंजूरी दे दी है। इसी के साथ भारत में वैक्सीन को लेकर जो एक लंबा इंतजार था, अब वह खत्म हो गया है। आखिर दोनों ही वैक्सीन में कौन सा वैक्सीन पहले इस्तेमाल होगा, इस बारे में एम्स के निदेशक डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने स्थिति स्पष्ट की। डॉक्टर गुलेरिया ने कहा कि भारत के लिए ये अच्छा दिन है। वहीं उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि 2 से 8 डिग्री के बीच इन दोनों वैक्सीन को रखा जा सकता है। वैक्सीन पूरी तरह सुरक्षित हैं। आखिर कौन से वैक्सीन का इस्तेमाल देश में पहले होगा, सुनिए इस पर एम्स के निदेशक डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया का जवाब।
We don't have an effective antiviral drug. What we have is vaccines. So we must be proactive, and that is why in an emergency situation where there is suddenly an increase in number of cases and we need to vaccinate a large number of people, the Bharat Biotech vaccine will be used. Or when we have a situation where we're not sure how efficacious the Serum Institute vaccine is going to be, then as a backup, the Bharat Biotech vaccine can be used. The approval clearly says that only for an emergency situation, keeping in mind the circulating variant strain. And at the same time, they have to continue to do the trial and get the data in. So once that data comes in, we will be able to be more confident as far as the safety and efficacy is concerned. So I think in the beginning, it will be basically Serum Institute of India, the AstraZeneca vaccine, which will be given. They already have 50 million doses available, and they will be able to give that to the initial phase where we will vaccinate around 3 crore people. And then gradually we will build on that, and by that time, the Bharat Biotech data will also be available. So this is, I think, important to understand that we are trying to really take care of any eventuality. For example, the vaccine which is being used in UK, because of the situation that the number of cases have increased, they've actually changed the timeline. The second dose was to be given at 28 days. They've now giving it at 12 weeks because of the situation that they are wanting to vaccinate as many people as possible just with the first dose, because that will give them some protection and decrease the number of cases. So it's like a similar situation that we are being proactive rather than being caught off guard.
डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया ने यह भी कहा कि कोरोना वायरस के नए वेरिएंट पर भी ये वैक्सीन काम करेगा।
Currently, based on whatever data is available in terms of the mutations that have happened, and there are 17 mutations which have happened in the UK variant. There's also another variant which is from South Africa, which has also shown mutations, and that is also more infectious. But whatever data has emerged from these two variants does suggest that the current vaccines which are being used will be effective, because these vaccines work on different points as far as the spike protein epitope is concerned, and they have multiple ways of working. The vaccine works by producing antibodies, which we call neutralizing antibodies, which fight against the virus. But they also produce what we call cell-mediated immunity. And this is a T-cell immunity, which also fights against the virus, which is also being produced. And it also causes memory cell to get stimulated so that they remember about this virus, and later on more antibodies can be produced.
अब जानिए डॉक्टर रणदीप गुलेरिया से पहले वैक्सीन किसे लगेगा, कैसे लगेगा। रणदीप गुलेरिया ने बताया कि सबसे पहले वैक्सीन देश में हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स को लगेगा।
So our aim is, one is to decrease mortality by vaccinating the high risk group, and then start vaccinating enough people so that there is good amount of people who are having immunity. And when we talk of immunity, it can be vaccine related immunity or immunity because of the infection that they've got. If we have a good amount of people who have immunity because of either getting the infection and recovering or because of vaccine, and that number comes up to 70 to 80%, then we will have broken the chain of transmission. Even if someone has COVID-19, people around him will be protected because all of them have immunity, and therefore the spread from one person to the other will not happen, and the number of cases will decline dramatically, and that will really see the end of the pandemic. So that is going to be the aim. It will take some time, but I think we will achieve that aim. We are also preparing for vaccination because the priority is healthcare workers. So the list of all healthcare workers, including everyone, has already been sent, and it is being uploaded. And then as and when the vaccine is available, we will start vaccinating our healthcare workers as per their turn.
दोनों ही वैक्सीन की जैसे ही इमरजेंसी उपयोग की मंजूरी मिली, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने देशवासियों को बधाई दी। वहीं DCGI ने भी ये स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि वैक्सीन पूरी तरह सुरक्षित है।